right, let's go ahead and finish up here. Sorry about that. So where we were figuring out what BD in the X is. And similar triangles, 11.5 over 10 is equal to BD in the X over 10. And obviously BD in the X is going to be 11.5 pounds of force. Where did 10 by 10 come from? If you go up here and look at this, it's 10 feet here and 10 feet here. So if I made BD into a right triangle, it would have a 10 foot and a 10 foot. We're not thinking BD, BF, and DF. We're thinking just this and making it into a right triangle with those dimensions. Because then they're similar triangles and we can figure out what this dimension is. The other way you can do it is using SOHCAHTOA. So you'd know that this is 45 degrees, and you could have said tangent 45 equals 11.5, the opposite over BDX, and solve for BDX. But since we know BDX, now we want to know what BD is. So if BD, Pythagorean theorem, says 11.5 squared plus 11.5 squared gives me what BD is, the square root of it. So let's go ahead and do that in our calculator. Square root 11.5 squared plus 11.5 squared. And that gives me 16.263 pounds of force for BD. And because my arrow is going this way, that tells me BD is in compression. All right, if it was coming away from the joint, it'd be in tension. Pushing towards the joint, it's in compression. And there's my answer. As always, smash that like button, ring that bell, and holler at me in the comments below. You know what to do. Seacrest out.